Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Takikomigohan. Takikomigohan is Japanese version of paella, the world famous Spanish rice dish. So you cook the rice with meat or seafood and some vegetable in one pot. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this Takikomigohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, chicken thigh, which you can replace with chicken breast, shimeji mushroom, green onion, half carrot, 2 teaspoons hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm going to rinse the rice first. Add some water. Gently stir. And drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put it in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is 1 to 1. 1 and 2. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This will give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's cut the ingredients. Green onion first. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half. Put them together. Cut them in half. Put them together and then slice. Put it in the small bowl. And put it aside. Carrot. Peel the skin. Make thin slices. Then into strips. Put it aside. Shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off. And break into pieces. Chicken. Remove the skin. Trim off the fat. And cut it into small pieces. The rice has been soaked in the water more than half an hour, so I'm adding the seasonings. It's 2 tablespoons of sake and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So I'm removing 4 tablespoons of water from here. Just remove 4 tablespoons of water like this. Let's add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 teaspoons hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Give it a quick mix. Let's put chicken. Shimeji and carrot. You don't need to mix it, so the ingredients are just sitting on top of the rice. Put the lid on and bring it to boil over medium-high to high heat. Now you can see and hear it's boiling, steam coming out from the edge of the pot. Turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer for 12 minutes. Okay, it's been cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on and steam for 10 minutes. It's been steamed for 10 minutes, so let's add the green onion. Fluff and mix the rice. Let's serve it in the rice bowl. And Takikomigohan is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's loaded with umami. Different texture in one bite and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Takikomigohan is obviously rice, so it goes here. Vegetable miso soup or any other miso soup you like here. The chicken in Takikomigohan is not enough protein, so I think I want to have tofu teriyaki for the main dish so that I can have some more protein. For one of the side dish, I usually have some sort of pickles. I'm sorry I don't have video for this one yet. For the other side dish, let's have cucumber salad. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!